Currently, the video that you see on your screen is going viral on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to go viral so that you can do it too. I'm going to show you how I was able to get over 2,293 likes, 45 comments, 435 shares in just 2 days. And the key is, this video was actually taken down for about 6 hours. So it's actually more than that. So make sure you watch this entire video if you want to learn how to get started and make money on TikTok. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, what I want to do today is I want to show you exactly what I did to almost guarantee my success of going viral on TikTok. Now, after you watch this video, and what we're going to do is we're going to watch this video. I'm going to give you some feedback onto what went into this video, why I believe it works, and how you can replicate it. I'm going to give you everything that you need. And you're going to actually be able to take a look at a video that is currently going viral. We're not talking about something that happened last week or last month. This is actually happening to the second. So what I want to do, and hopefully you can see my screen right now, as you can see here right now, I have 39,000 followers, 214,000 likes. But what's most important is, and as you can see here, and what you'll see throughout this video, is you'll see the comment or the inbox down at the bottom right will be updating with people that are liking and commenting. And so if we just take a look, you can see more people are following and they're liking this video. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. But first, let's watch this video. And I'm going to, hopefully you can hear it. If you can't, I'll actually make sure that you're able to hear it. But it's only a 59-second video, but it is a video that gets thousands of views. So let's go ahead and take a look. Do you guys want to learn how you can make a full-time income with Bath & Body Works without having to work for Bath & Body Works? Watch this. Under New and Now, go down to Christmas. Find any product. For example, we're going to use Vanilla Bean Noel. You can use Winter Candy Apple if you want to. Copy the name, Vanilla Bean Noel. So when we paste in the name Vanilla Bean Noel, you can see people are asking all sorts of questions. We're just going to click on this first one. Top result here, 8.2 thousand views. She only has 22,000 subscribers. And what's weird about this niche is she actually ranks for multiple results. Whenever you see someone rank for the same keyword multiple times, that means there's opportunity. There's not enough content out there. Look at this, 3 times, 4 times. There's a lot of opportunity right here. And you can make money a variety of ways. You can be an affiliate for Bath & Body Works. You can make money when you join the YouTube. I'm going to pause it there. And if we go back, there's probably more people, or there will be people eventually that, oh, as you can see, someone else just liked that video. But let's talk about this video. Let's break it down step by step. The first thing that I did with this video, and I'm just going to pause it at the beginning, full-time income with Bath & Body Works. Now, the reason why I believe this works is when people are scrolling, the first thing they see, and hopefully you can see this on my screen, the first thing that they see is full-time income with Bath & Body Works. Now, this works, and I believe that it works, simply because people know and are familiar with Bath & Body Works. In my opinion, one of the keys to finding success on TikTok and really any social media platform is to take something that people already know and then expose them to something that they don't know. For example, in this video, I start off and say, hey, do you want to learn how you can make a full-time income with Bath & Body Works without having to work for Bath & Body Works? This is the exact same formula that I used about a year ago when I told people, hey, do you want to learn how to make a full-time income with Target without working for Target? In fact, that's the exact same phrase that I used. That video is probably buried. I won't be able to bring that one up. But if you use that type of terminology, you associate something that they know, for example, Bath & Body Works, with something that they don't know, that's going to pique their interest. And the other thing, and hopefully you can see my screen here, is TikTok has an audience base of 60% female and 40% male. And this is from wallermedia.com, and I'll link this if I remember. But these numbers are important because Bath & Body Works is geared more towards females or the women demographic. They tend, if you just went and did like a straw poll, you stood outside of a Bath & Body Works, you're naturally going to see more women go in than men. And so 2 things right off the bat. I associate something they know with something that they don't know, they aren't familiar with, making a full-time income with Bath & Body Works without having to work for Bath & Body Works. Over 60% female, so this is going to pique their interest. This also worked very well when I talked about Etsy and I talked about how to do like wedding planners and wedding hangers over on Etsy. Again, because the female to male demographic, women in my opinion, love Etsy. And so basically what I do is I walk them through the process, and I'm just going to play this again. I walk them through the process of how to start. I talk about something that's very easy and very simple for them to understand. Like if we go over to, I'm going to jump over to Bath & Body Works right now. If we jump over to Bath & Body Works, it's a really simple process. Bath & Body Works, just like this. And if I open up this first one, it's a very simple process for them to follow. It's very step-by-step, very basic. Go to now and new and now. You go to Christmas collection or new arrivals. I think I said that. And then what you're going to do is take a product that they're already familiar with. As you can see, Vanilla Bean Noel, you just walk them through the process of having no information to having more information. Even if this is, in your opinion, basic or common knowledge, you can build a following and you could potentially make money. So again, Vanilla Bean Noel, we're going to click on this. And this, again, very simple. I just copy the product name here, just like this. And then I go over to YouTube, and this is all basic stuff that you already know how to do. All right, so you jump over to YouTube and you show them keywords. Paste in the keyword like this, hit the space bar. Once again, this is all things that they may not know. We're combining two things that they know. We're really combining three things that they know. They know about Bath & Body Works. They know about YouTube. We're combining that and showing people how they can make money. So if we look at this, again, this is the exact same process I walked them through in a minute video. So we go to Vanilla Bean Review, click enter, and then here's where the magic happens. You see something that appears to be very basic and very simple, but this is an opportunity to make money. As you can see, and as I illustrate in this video, if you watch the entire thing, how the queen of the Girl Geeks has multiple videos that are ranking for multiple keywords. For example, if we go through and we delete Vanilla Bean Noel and we do like candle review, you're going to see she shows up at the top for it, or number 2 in this instance. And so that is an opportunity for you to create content. And in my opinion, this video worked well because they can see themselves doing this. They see people, regular, average, everyday people, creating basic content about something they already know. Maybe they're interested in shopping. Maybe they're interested in the holiday season, which is coming up, which is another reason why this works, because we're incorporating a fourth dimension. So if we think about this, making money, maybe having a side income, where we've included Bath & Body Works, we've included YouTube, and then we've included the holiday season. If you put those 4 things together, you have a recipe for success. And that's why, in my opinion, it works, because you can do this with Thanksgiving. We can do this with Christmas and New Year's and Valentine's Day, almost on command. You show people step by step how you can take something that they know and understand and make money, and it works. But if we scroll through, you're going to see that same person make multiple videos. Look at this. Here she is again. And it's really easy. Number 3. And this is basically number 4. This is exactly what I explained in this video, where you can start building a following and making money and building a full-time income with simple videos that people already know. Now, again, think about this. Heavily female dominated. Bath & Body Works is hugely impactful with women and females in that demographic. YouTube, simple. They see this person here. They probably did a little bit of research after the fact, and then they realized how easy it was. Now, one key to make yourself go viral and really help yourself out is to answer every question. Now, hopefully you can see my screen again. And this person said, I'm still confused. I went and did another video. If we open this up, this person said, so is the person that posted it. I liked it. And then I actually responded. I said, thank you for helping my confusing video reach more people. Have a great day. That was a little bit snarky, but I mean, at the end of the day, that's who I am. And that's probably why that's probably the reason why this video got taken down for a few hours, because of my snarkiness. And then again, another key to helping yourself go viral is to go through and answer every one of the questions, or comment, or do something to let the people know that you're here for them, that you are engaged with them. Now, one thing that you'll notice is if you have a video go viral, you will see a lot of people spamming. There is some discussion, there's some back and forth as to what to do with those people. Now, the spammers, like this person, user 306254113035572, this person is a spammer. They're not making any money with this process. They're simply going to, one trick that you could do is you could actually get Richard Jeremiah trade blocked. But in my opinion, you should leave those comments up. The only person that liked this comment was the actual person. And so leave them up and make sure that you are responding to every single person. How much can you make? And then I actually refer people back over to my YouTube channel where I show them how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Look at this. Glad to see everyone is still confused. You didn't explain what to do after you Google. I'm going to answer that one in a little bit. My guy who was yelling in the video, it was my dog. But this is how you go viral. And again, if we look at the stats here, we're going to click on more data. As you can see, this video has been up since today's the 6th, 11/04/2021. In fact, it got taken down for a few hours yesterday because someone spammed it or didn't like it. But if we look at this, it has 17,000 views, 2,310 likes, 45 comments, and 440 shares. That's going to be really important, is that sharing component. If we look, the average watch time is 36 seconds. That's significantly higher than a lot of my videos. Watch time 24.17%. Reached audience 15,000 people. 98% show up on the For You page, and 93% in the United States. So as you can see here, this is how you can do it. It's really simple when you think about it. You take something that they know with something that they understand or may know. So in this case, Bath and Body Works, along with YouTube. You add in a full-time income opportunity. You mix in you understand the demographic or the target audience, and that's going to help you as well. And you just create very simple and basic content. In my opinion, what you should do, you should focus on dumbing it down. When you think that it's too complicated, when it's overcomplicated, make sure that you dumb it down so that the most basic person knows and understands what you're talking about. That's how you're going to grow, because you have to anticipate that most of the people that see this video have no idea what affiliate marketing is. And in fact, I don't think I ever mentioned affiliate marketing until the very end. I just talked about the income opportunity and how they could get started with affiliate marketing. And that actually created an opportunity. If we go back over to my TikTok here, if we look at the video that posted after that, this one right here, this person said they're still confused. That was an opportunity to explain how to make money with affiliate marketing and how to create the content. As you can see here, this video has 383 views, 2 shares, and it has 30 likes. So again, this is a way to create a part 2 of a video without having to say, comment part 2 for more or something like that. But this is how you can do it step by step. It's really easy when you think about it. It all comes back to the basic components of marketing. Understand your target audience, understand their wants and their needs, understand what their objectives are, and combine things that they know and things that they don't know. If this made sense for you and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training. Be sure to watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.